In this video, what we're going to be talking about is the quality of your decisions. Now, this can echo into life, relationships, health, wealth, and trading. We've got an account here. We've got a running profit of $500. It's about 5% of the account. And we're going to talk to you about decisions, quality decisions. Now, we're looking at gold. It's a 2-minute Heikin Ashi chart. You see this little red line here? And this little red box over here? This is when the US trading session closed yesterday. Now that's important because that closing price is important for the following reason. Price goes up, that's Asia, that's London. During London, we're up here, we start coming down, New York opens, we test that level once. We test that level again, thus forming what? A double bottom. That's a quality decision there. Now another quality decision is to sit on your hands and wait for the market to come to that decision. And we've got another decision here, and this is the Nasdaq. The Nasdaq, same thing. Red line over here. This red line here is yesterday's close. We trade below that close. The session opens up. You can see the red box. Price shoots up there and gives us a little bit of weakness. That's a high, and that's a low right there. That says I could go down. So we take our first trade. We then start taking trades as our indicator tells us to start taking these short positions. Moving on to the Dow Jones, very similar. Dow Jones gives us a head and shoulders over here, again into the New York session. That's fresh. This is yesterday's gap, which gets filled over here as the market opens up. Now, there is an unfilled gap down there, hence why you see my take profits are all the way down there. And the final one, now this one's important, it is the DAX. The DAX during the London session and the Frankfurt session has been trending downwards. Eventually, right before the New York session opens, you can spot it, reversed head and shoulders. Now that would be a quality decision for you to take longs. Eventually, we find a lower high here. You can see I drawn it, and we started taking shorts as the market started forming these lower highs. Now, to explain quality decision making, it comes down to just being patient, just being disciplined, and rehearsing these charts. One very important thing I do for my community and myself is that when the market closes, or when I stand up to leave from this trading station and go home, what I do is I review all of the charts that I traded. I check the sessions, the Japanese session, the German session, the British session, and the US session. And then I check my trades around that.